Okay guys, we are here at the Home Depot and we've actually already been in, and I just put the buggy back. But let me go to the car and show you. The Lord is so good to us, and He's good to everybody. But let me show you this fan right here. We needed 2 ceiling fans for the remodel. These fans were basically $105 each. 104 and some odd cents. So $105 each. Bryant just happened to, he was checking to see what kind of blades and everything, and maybe if there was a better price out there. He got online and found them for $70 each. Home Depot matched the price, saved us 50 bucks. Well, I think maybe $70. It saved us $70, didn't it? So it either pays to shop with Bryant.
Frugal Fred. No, all I did was I found them online
And asked them if they would match the price. All they could do was say no.
Here's a trick. Lowe's, Home Depot, and Walmart, they match prices. So it's wise to shop around online. And
I never would have thought to go look online. I found the fan I wanted and I was headed to checkout. So, okay, well, that just bought us dinner, so we're headed to supper. Hey guys, thank you for watching The Farm and Pastor's Wife. Today we're taking a break from remodeling, and of course today was church day. It was being in the house of the Lord, and tonight our church is having a fellowship at the softball field. Well, it's at our local elementary school, and so we are here. We are just going to have a great time of fellowship, a great time of hanging out and cooking out, and we're just going to have a good time. It's hot, hence my tank top. It is hot, whew, like 90 degrees hot. No, I really don't know how much. It's close to 90. So my grandbabies are home from the beach, so I'm going to get to hang out with them here at the church fellowship. So I'm excited. Okay guys, I'm going to spin you around, let you see. The church folks are beginning to gather. And then we've got PB and some men and some older ladies who think they can still play ball. But they're going to be crying tonight. Hang on, let me show you. They're just warming up right now. There's PB throwing out there. So we might get a chance to witness some injuries tonight. Or at least some sore muscles. Levi. Hey, darling. Hey, Pumpkin. I see you. Oh, that's not pictures. Okay, guys, so this is, I told you we had several projects going on at one time. We have our remodel, we have Caroline's house being built, and this is project number 3. As you see, I have a nice bulldozer here, and we are building, I think he said 40, oh goodness, he just told me the dimensions. It's a huge, they call it a stack house, and this is where we'll store chicken litter. So this is project number 3 going on at the same time. These were our composters, and they're fixing to get knocked down. And we'll make a makeshift area until the stack house is built. But it's going to be in this wide area right through here. We've been over here picking up anything Bryant wanted to keep. There was some farm equipment and barrels and so forth. So we've been working, but there goes the first of this land getting graded again for, I mean, it was graded initially when we built the farm, but now it's being graded specifically for a stack house. Okay guys, I wanted to come back over here later after this morning's video and video again and just show you what and all he's gotten accomplished. So we've gotten a good little amount done. I'm not sure when the actual building is going to start, but he's got to compact this and level it out. And yeah, so project number 3 is well underway. Okay guys, today we're back on the remodel. We have moved furniture in the living room. Isaac and Jessica have taken the plates and the return vents and all that good stuff off. And she's still working on that one.
I have to get it down. I don't want. Well, this wall's coming.
The wall's coming down. You can hurt it.
I can hurt it.
You can hurt it. It's painted and stuck to the wall. Let's see. Now let me go in here and we'll see what Kevin's up to. Bryant is over at the chicken houses. We have another project starting at the chicken houses. Okay, Kevin is working on fixing to see if we can match the texturing of the ceiling. It was just going to be way too expensive to change the ceiling. So we're going to try to texture it like it was and then paint the whole ceiling. I know the colors won't match, so that's why we're going to see if we can at least get the texture close and then paint the whole ceiling. So that's what he's working on now. The granite folks should be here in a little bit to make templates of my countertops. So things are moving right along today. This wall right in here in the living room should be out by this afternoon. So, and everything is moved. We have nowhere to sit. And so, yeah, it's going to be a fun day at the Madren house at L&B Farms. Okay, guys, so the granite men are here taking measurements. And our cabinet guy has just arrived. He's going to be putting the hardware on and making the doors soft close. So we have a house full. And of course, Bryant running his mouth, and Jess and Isaac are here. Only people missing is Caroline and Jamie and the boys. They're just measuring away.
You're supposed to make a plan, right?
I know.
So let's finish and then we start.
Okay, guys, the wall is down. Well, at least not these, the studs aren't down because they got to put the LVL up. But here it is. Let's walk into the kitchen. This will be when I'm standing at the stove and I can see Bryant sitting in his recliner and I can see the TV. We'll come around here into, I don't know what to call this room, but we'll call it, I don't know. And here you're sitting at the bar eating your breakfast, and you can turn and watch TV or watch me cook or watch me wash dishes. So I actually think I'm going to like this a lot. I really do. I'm so excited. I'm not excited about this mess. I mean, ugh. Not excited about the mess. Hey y'all, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. I've lost count of what day it is on the remodel, but we're going to back up to yesterday. I'm going to show you a little bit of our Sunday afternoon yesterday. And then just what's happened today. Tomorrow, we may have a devotional video tomorrow. I really kind of want to do one. So, anyway, and the rest of this video after the Sunday afternoon part will be probably the remodel stuff. It's a quick video today. But I just want to keep y'all updated every day as to what's happening.
Crazy? So it's crazy, ain't it?
What you think, buddy?
Do you like Bubbles' new kitchen?
Yeah.
Here, be careful with nails. You're gonna see it.
What in the world?
Just be careful. Remember, there's nails.
I wish I had gotten Judah's whole reaction of the new kitchen. It was priceless. It was so funny. He was like speechless and his mouth was open. And it was so funny. But anyway. What in the world? Look, Judah, look over here. Look in there.
Yeah. What?
All right. It's dirty, isn't it? We got to clean all that dust and sawdust off. All he can say is, what in the world? Okay, guys. Well, I wanted y'all to see his reaction. It was so funny. This is the end of this day. We'll see what tomorrow holds. Thank you guys for watching The Farm and Pastor's Wife. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Or if the house is messy enough, you can call it a remodel. See you guys next time.